guys, this is Jenna and Chloe with ResortTV1, and guess what guys? I am taking over the live stream again this Friday for Friday Night Live, so yay! We're excited, right Chloe? Say yay! So this Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern, I will be in charge of the live stream. Josh can't be with us. We are going to miss him a lot, but he will be back the next Friday. So we are going to be live at 6 p.m. Eastern, like I said, at, you guys ready where we're going? Epcot! We're going to go to Epcot. So we're super excited. We haven't been there in a little while, and I just thought it would be fun to check out Festival of the Arts one last time, because it is the last weekend for it. And, whoa, it just got really bright. The sun came out. Are you squinting? Yeah. So I thought it would be fun to go to Epcot, check out Festival of the Arts one last time before it ends. It is a really fun festival. And I have a fast pass for something we have never done before, so I'm super excited for that. So stay tuned. I'm not gonna tell you. Thought I'd make it a little surprise. And we're gonna have a couple special guests with us, so that will be super fun as well. Of course, Mom and Dad will be there, so we're excited, and our Johns, because you know, we need lots of help to do this Friday Night Live. I wish Miss Chloe could come, because she'd be really good help, wouldn't you? Yeah. So don't forget to tune in Friday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. I think I've said that like 4 times now, so you guys should know, right? Last week we were a bit earlier, but this week we're gonna go at 6. Words are hard. Our normal time, 6 p.m. And yeah, we're gonna be at Epcot, so I'm super excited. I hope you guys join us. Tell lots of your Disney loving friends, so share us out. Let's try to get to 1,000 again. I know we did last week. That was amazing. I know Magic Kingdom is our most popular park, but Epcot is also one of our favorite parks, and we're gonna stay for Illuminations. Of course, we'll ride Mexico, the Mexico ride, and just check out Festival of the Arts. And one other thing that we've not done on the stream before, so I'm excited for that. Alright guys, well, leave us a comment down below if you're excited for Friday Night Live with me and some special guests and Mom and Dad and our Johns. Yeah, give us a like on this video and don't forget to tune in. And I wanted to show you these amazing ears that I have on. These are from HannahMarieMagic.com. Go check her out, guys. She makes amazing ears. And she sent these to me as a surprise, so I was super excited. I love these colors on here. So pretty. So she's on Instagram. She also has her own ear shop, HannahMarieMagic.com. Go check her out. Alright guys, and check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best and free Disney planning advice. And also WindowRepairParts.us, and use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.